Hello YouTube. Package on opening today, so let's see what we have. These are my lower control arm bushings. Okay, I'm going to open them up and take a look at them. As you can see here, the stock ones on my control arms, all these were cracked and rotted out, so it was loose around the middle, and that also makes it that also is another reason why older cars have looser steering, kind of floats. These are pretty much rubber, so they do over time deteriorate. So these are the lower ones. I ordered a pack of the upper ones too. They should be here in the day. I say they should be here by Friday or Thursday. These are the last two parts that I need before I can be able to put this car in the shop and get the whole front suspension rebuilt before I do any lowering of the car. First thing first, maintenance. That's all it is today. More videos to come. Oh, if you notice, these parts are sitting on my mufflers. They're going to be put on soon, so don't worry. As soon as the suspension is done, hopefully in a few days, I'll be able to put the exhaust on. Until next video, I'll see you.